Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm here at Prosper. This is a peer-to-peer lending site. You probably have saw my last video where I invested in a couple more notes. So you can see we were doing okay, 5% return. Not bad, but here is why I'm here today. Let's look at the order history. So you can see the last time I went to invest was on 6/27, a couple weeks ago or whatever. But I wanted to get two notes, but I was only able to get one. So one of them expired, right? So it was canceled, withdrawal, expired, whatever. Didn't go through. And this other one's did. So I still have some cash in my account that I need to invest. So I haven't done a desktop for this yet for Prosper. So I haven't really experimented it with too much. But I'm going to go and I'm going to browse the listings. I'm going to use the same criteria that I used before with A, B, C, D, E. So I try to steer away from high risk stuff, like this one right here, right? High risk. 24%. Oh, it's only $4,000. That's pretty good though. All right. So I might want to check this one out. Let's check it out. All right. It's a 3-year loan. It's a pretty high rate. Borrower rate's 25.6%. Prosper takes their cut. Monthly payments only $160. That's not bad. All right. So historical return is 3.9 to 13.6%. All right. Not sure if I want to invest in this yet. Let's keep looking. Prosper scores 5, so it's mid-range. Pretty good FICO score for being an E. No delinquencies. Okay, it's 24. That's not available. That's not a good sign. 0 in the last 7 years. That's good. Inquiries. 1 inquiry in the last month, so he's not looking for credit too much. Maybe a little bit. 13 credit lines. Revolving debit balance 10K. Bank card utilization 84%. Okay, this is reasonable. Stated income $1 to $24,000. Wow, this is a red flag for me. Administrative assistant. Okay, well that's good. Employed 8 years 11 months. Okay, cool. All right. Those are all disclaimers and whatever. So this seems actually like a pretty decent risk. I might add this one to my portfolio. All these numbers look reasonable. Go back and check out my last video, and I'll tell you why I try to steer clear of these, but this one actually seems pretty good, and I can see why it's almost fully funded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some money in this one. I want to put $25. That's pretty much what I do for all my loans, is $25. So go to order. All right, $25. All right, one listing. Let's do it. Apply. Place order. All right, I've placed the order. We'll see what happens if this gets fully funded. We'll see what happens. There's only $167 left in that opportunity. So, all right, it's a good deal for a little home improvement of some sort. But payments are pretty low. Seems like a good risk. I need to add a little, maybe more high risk to my portfolio. So we'll see how things go. What do you guys think? Think it's a good deal or not? You can see all these other ones that are available. I kind of like the color coding that they have here. It's kind of cool. All right. So that's it for today, guys. It's just a quick update on Prosper. How to use the desktop app. It's pretty nice overall. All right, guys. If you want to invest in Prosper, go check them out. Be sure to subscribe for more wealth building techniques. And thanks for watching.